Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you a add-on I've made for your srcds server. So what it does is it's a skin changer for you. Now you got to put your own skins in it. So before I show you it, this is something I downloaded earlier, which I've already got inside of here, but this is what you're going to want to do. First, you want to find the skin you want. It's all being cleared. I'll just use my skin pack. Yes, but anyway, oops. You're going to want to get your skin pack. This is my own, which I made. So it'll usually have cease drag, and you need the materials and all of that, so you would just drag them in. So with those skin packs, you usually get this material models, models player, stuff like that. But anyway, so what you want to do is, once you get this, it's going to be a folder called Skinpicker, and it's just one text file like this. Now the reason why I'm doing this like this is because sometimes if you do it the normal way, like in admin where you put your skins and make it public, or public_ct or admin, sometimes you get an error called badge string or something that says something like that. So this won't give you it, and it will install it and make it run for you. Some skins won't work to other people if they're too big. Like say it has like 200 lines of materials and like 30 lines of models, it would be too big for them to download from your server. So unless you send them to download for them to put in their actual C-Strike folder, they will just see a red error. So what you want to do first in here is you should find near the top, it says your skins go under this MSG, which is message, e.g. models/cool/pcool.model. Now that's just an example. So that's just this line here. But you want to put all of it in. So you just go right click, copy, like so, and you go like that. You go Control V, and make sure that it has downloadable in front of it, because some models won't download otherwise. So you want to go Control V after you've copied it, and then space. So Control V space, Control V space, Control V space, and so on. Oops. Sorry about that, YouTube. So like this. Now sometimes it won't download, either because you might need quotation marks at either side, but sometimes you don't. Most of the times you don't need it. Sometimes you do need it. So if your texture or skin doesn't work, just try doing that. Okay, now you can use two skins for this. So as you can see here, it's !skin 1 or 2. Now, so this is your skin 1. That's what you type in console to get that skin. Now, skin 2 is here. Your second skin goes under here, and again, it needs downloadable and all of that. So just for now, make sure it's a different skin too. But just for now, I'm gonna use the same skin. I'm just gonna get rid of all of this for you guys when I put it in a download for you, like that. Oh wait, and here where it says ES_set_info_admins, this is where your Steam ID goes. So when you're in a game, just type in status, which is spelled like this. You need to type that in, and it should give you a whole bunch of numbers. It should be like this, but with numbers there. sometimes you'll have numbers there. So after that, you just replace it with that. Don't get rid of that, because if you want to add another admin, then you would just whoops, be like this. Oops. Like that. That would be your other admin. So this line here is where you add your admins. Okay, don't touch any other coding but the copying and pasting there. And now, where it says here, put your first .mdl in here. You must delete this message. That means you've got to replace this message with something. Now, .mdl is a model. So your first model is, which is up the top. So it should be under these where it says models. Just find you see here it says .mdl. You just want to go right click and copy, and because it's the same for both lines, I'm just gonna put them both there, but if it was different it would put a different one in. So like this, just for an example, I'll find it in the second one and put a 2 there, and so that means I would have to put 2 there if it was different. But now here it says put your first .mdl here, you must delete this message. It's exactly the same thing here. You need the first one here, the one that was at the very top. So you put that .model in there, and you put your second one, right click, copy, down here, like so, Control V, like that. And then when you're in game, just type this, either !skin1. So yeah, and if you want to change it to your different skin, just do !skin2. Each time the round restarts, your skin goes back to default. And this will say you have a jailbreak mode on, and CT is the police and T is the jail looking people. It will replace that skin. So if when they type skin, not skin, sorry, !skin, it will replace that, but then after the next round they have the jail skin again. Excuse me. So that's the basic here. I'm just showing you how to install it and all of that. So after you do that, I'm not going to save it so you guys have a clean copy when I give it to you. After all that, you want to go to your CFG, and if you don't already have one, you want to make one that's called autoexec.cfg, and inside that you need to put that line there in, es_load Skinpicker. If you don't put that in, it won't execute the add-on, so it won't run. So yeah, that's just how you use my Skinpicker. You will need to download your own skins, or if you know how to make your own like me. So like I said before, if there's a lot of directories down there, like I said before, like models, so models /whatever .tmf, which is VMF, which is Valve material file. If there's a lot of code like things like that, it's too big for your server and it won't download unless you have one of those fast download servers. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later.